Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to give you a really powerful outline around what are the best plugins and options utilizing WordPress if you want a multilingual website. You want multiple languages to be available on your website, Spanish, French, whatever. It's one of the most powerful reasons if you've got a membership website or a business website and you want multiple languages available on it. WordPress is a great solution. Got some fantastic insights. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you want to make your website multilingual, and you're looking or have got WordPress. Now, if you already got a WordPress powered website, you've really chosen well, because this is one of the greatest strengths of WordPress when it comes to multilingual ability. Now, if you're looking around at different options, definitely consider WordPress because you're not going to be disappointed. Now, you've got a number of solutions out there that work with WordPress, and there's, I would say, over a dozen different options. There's definitely between half a dozen that I would consider, and there's definitely some leaders in the pack, but they all have strengths and weaknesses. Now, I'm not going to go into everything in this video because it would be an extremely long video. So I've written a great article, and you'll find the link to that article in the video description, and it gives you all the links, prices, everything you will need to know. In this video, I'm just going to cover some of the major players, and give you some key thoughts and ideas that I think you need to understand to make the best decision for yourself. So let's start with a popular solution, a free solution, and a reasonably effective solution, but it isn't the best. And that's G-Translate. It's a free plugin. You put it in onto your WordPress website, and then you link it to Google Translate. You have to set up a Google Translate account. It's part of your G account. So if you've got Google Analytics and all the other G account stuff, you can link it. And it uses Google's API platform when it comes to language. It's utilizing their AI technology, and it does a good job, but not excellent job. That's for a free service. If you're kind of just trying this out, it works. The accuracy between 70-80%, I would say. That doesn't sound too bad, but when you think about it, that's more than, it'd be between 1 in 4 and 1 in 5 words won't be right. So if you put it in percentage terms, and it isn't fantastic, but it's better than nothing, and it's free, and it does a reasonable job. And if free is all that you can afford, and you can't hire, there's just too much content to get a manual translation done for you, it will do the job. Now, if you're looking, on the other hand, if you're looking for a really slick interface and very good accuracy, with Wiglot is a big solution. They're a kind of SaaS-based software as a service, and they provide a WordPress plugin. And they use Google and a number of these AI translation technologies, and they bundle them all together. They don't precisely say what technology AI services they're utilizing. I personally think they're using a blend, and then they pump it out through their own API through the plugin. It is not a cheap service. It is almost totally the opposite of G Translate because it is one of the most expensive services out there. But if accuracy and a nice interface and having the biggest company in multi-language translation on the WordPress platform is important to you, definitely look at it. They're a credible company, got no problems with them. Now, if you want the best value and great accuracy on WordPress, I think you can't beat Transpress with a proviso. Now, Transpress, its its pricing is more the traditional WordPress model where you buy the plugin and then you renew it once a year, and it's at 1/4 of the cost than Weblot or less. And it works with Google's service, and it gives you a great interface, and it makes the whole process really easy. But if you use it with the Google translation service, you've got the same problem as G Translate around accuracy. But there's another option. You can use Transpress with DeepL. DeepL is an AI language model purposely designed for translation, and its accuracy is superb. I mean, it's really, I think it's better than Weblot. I honestly believe that. And we've got quite a few clients that use it on our web hosting platform, and we provide Transpress and DeepL as part of our service. And the clientele just loved it. It just works really well. You can use DeepL on its own through their API, but actually without Transpress, it's going to be a bit painful and it won't be totally effective. If you use it with Transpress and open a DeepL account, you're not talking about mega money. It's not, I wouldn't say it's dirt cheap, but it's not ridiculously expensive, depending on the amount of translation you're doing every month and how often you change the copy on your website. But compared to some of the other solutions, it's a bargain. Like I say, I was just going to give you some of the main options here. There's a lot more. You find all the information, prices, links in the article I've written. Like I say, you find that link in the video description. I'm going to wrap it up now. Hopefully you found this video really useful. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really tells YouTube that I'm doing a good job, and it really would be appreciated. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.